womo ehye esoro kokko womo eye nika ehye womo so ye kokko ana socks ehye womo no enso eye kokko na ese Kotoko colors na ana ehye womo ende womo de aba besi akan na goalkeeper ne de na ho fa de enso eye tuntum ana eye sikakoko colors no enso bata ho kakra ina ba enche womo ye the ceremonial handshake womo tietie womo me was justice play wono na di Kotoko team nanim na womo tietie Chelsea for no womo cheni na womo ka che womo se mo ye be shemo let's say the long seven Zakaria Fuseni wono kro ya ana Emmanuel Sapon or your wing attacker ana Reese Opoku Chumesi defender
ana aya Berekum United the third team from Bravo Oko FA Cup finals aya Berekum ejeye the first attempt again yabo 43 editions yanya 18 different clubs and ade nyame adoma ye benya 31st club on finals dana eti the Chelsea swashe Kotoko ewo President Cup in 2011 President Cup in 2012 and that time na the betra Martins the referee one man penalty kick that controversial penalty kick after that abort
to enrich the commentary inti asase here e ya Kwame Poku akiki as a head commentary and so it was where sports live across all radio stations in Ghana and the live commentary where they brought MTN FA Cup action live at the TNS Stadium and so e water kwa ya start game no ball no aye pinchen e wo Berekum Chelsea wo mo echire honoma sisi Kotoko e the ball na to form baba ya wa ball and so the ama Andrews in team enu wejemu e the aba the ball the ama Elvis Cheba for we you cross ni sim Kwame Poku na so dey be Franka ni sisu ya the offside e the extend the aba Kumase Asante Kotoko fa fa mu ya flick ball measure ke free or the ama Jonah atuke atubako or the ball call dey be ya the na to form na so baby referee Chemwa that was a clean tackle as clean as a whistle Wabedi, Abrantia Albert Amoah, Wachibako, or the Bonanam Nifa Albert Amoah, or Tumika, where you cross Nabemnas deflected by Zakaria Futrike Sedu Atonebo, Bako, Mianu, Miasa, Chaboni, Yasimo, Takoyam, Zakaria Fuseni, Sidiaban Finfi, Albert Amoah, with Tiaso Pasidiabanifa, Nesaka Elvis Cheba for 1-2, or the Boneko Albert Amoah, or the Amakwami Poku, with Tiabon Sidera 18-year boss in the Vincent Kluaje, on Nimbone ball. Left-footed player, very trickish. Bonnie, 18-year boss, danger for Kotoko. Chelsea, what are they looking for? A shortness to the B. Bono Afasro. Proper defensive midfielder. Yes. And to come in Pokwaje Bono for Kotoko. Wa pass the ama Baba Yaya Tiaso, Justice Blay. Nelson Bono boy any over the bar. Kennedy Mensah wa pass the ball naba Vincent Kluaje wa ball shot na sidebi Bono afanchan kiti kakrabi the ball na to akonechi esiedu enso akonechi final ebeba Bono Patrick Saka Dauda straight into the waiting arms of goalkeeper Emmanuel Edu a shot
Asante Kotoko and for me any bad attempt from Abrante Saka Dauda and I'm here and Mr. Power
the ball na tuma Kwame Poku wa cheba ko na sidebi Kwame Poku otia ball no suma waslepe aye the ball from the right hand side nature say Obeka ball ni the sim wa ball ten tra koyem ya pem de free anani akonechi bakumi enu mi asa wa chabo ni the sim o etrebe koyem na so goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara we Pierre Ababe Chebono wa body ama Baba Yaya the ball ne ko tietia so Baba or the ball ni ama Elvis Cheba for Cheba Kwachimienu e won finfio Elvis Cheba for or the ball na tum Albert Amoah we chow me channel and the atu o bona body here go referee Shana Bay Patrick Esiedu o meja area soon as there be wa boshot no ma Zakati na fana Marvin also the Cheba me agide finishing wonderful tackle by Henry Kwamiansu. It was a beautiful one.
Experience, they say, is a teacher. And remember, Branson,
Chelsea for the Bonache, Bonabedi Albert Amoah, for the Bonabedi Albert Amoah, were passing us to the B. Nobody there. I'm a Chelsea winning possession. I'm in the Boneko. Or pay options, you bet Joe, Yate Bono, Eddie Finis and Kwame Poku, with Jemu Adiama, Saka Dauda, with Jemu Diama, Babayaya, Wache Babayaya! Dabi, wait to me, I'm a Bono, oh yeah, Dumanina. Yeah, the ball number Steven Amankona, watch you crossing as the goalkeeper Kamara. Watch the ball no after family share. KK no more friend. The trouble on the scene so goalkeeper Kamara. We Pia Betibon and so ya Pemno. Mohamed Saidu Pem Kamara me a free kick. Eddie Ama Asante Kotoko Wamomo 18.
Because when I will move in the Kotoko players and then
so Enra, their golden kick, we need 3-1 against a Trump the Visa. Game way there, Obian Shebi 0-0. Dori, we try to see a 10-10. Watch us the ball on the tour. Hubert Jehu, we control the FFF. Hubert, we Susuni player. Obet with the Aquana, still with Hubert Jehu. Jehu pass the ball on the Amaklu, and Jay Vincent, or the Abraham Marvin Owusu, a shot, and a feeble one keep on the pool. One will be a debut. That's a offside. Assistant Zakaria Hussein Nejina Bonnet will trust here. Or Marvin Owusu, Marvin, or Betimiana Debbie. Sambo Neo, yes, or Claire went me and Claire, but go pass it. Or the Masaka Dauda, awareness here, Juma, when who said Denja wanted you a passable no, Eddie Ama Blaine as Debbie. A offside. Marvin Owusu, yeah, but Bonneman went to me, Bona Babedi. Samba O'Neill, we try to see a 10-10 looking for the run of Albert Amoah, Chester Bonnet there too. Albert Amoah, Nelson Kennedy, Kofi went to me, Albert Amoah still in possession. Nelson Debbie, goalkeeper Emmanuel once again, went to me and catch Bonnie. Second one.
Mike, this is our weakness. And Kotoko should try and make sure about
a day of Benyani and the Chelsea Benyaniana. Patrick Essiedu Jinabo and Chicona, while Podi Asibeta Korean Nasidebi. Goal line clearance by Berekum Chelsea. Born the Anna connecting him. Once again, goalkeeper Emmanuel Duaba Bechibona. That was dangerous. Legend. Your body by Jerry. Ordinity can't do me. Kwame Poku. What a Praga de Bonne Koyana to form. And that will be a free kick. And says Zakaria Hussein, the referee, man, yellow card. You're being a frame. The Visa 3-1 and to golden kick trying the winner of this game, non-Nesia, Kwame Poku, controlling the ball, or the Ama Saka Dauda, Saka, feeble shot, Bono Afanche, Mania goal kick. A branch away Congoni, or Bonabo, Edema Kotoko Ghana, and to a trouble on Nidia Simu, Bona Babedi, Saka Dauda, and so they be goalkeeper Emmanuel Edu. Was quick up to the ball with Pia Babechabo and Ama Berekum Chelsea, and it's now Bonechi to effect this one on their captain for Kotoko this afternoon. Baboni Simo straight into the waiting arms of goalkeeper Emmanuel Edu. Behind the ball, Marvin Owusu with Chaboni Sim Nesdebi. Straight into the arms of goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara. What Tribo no ato 10-10. Kwame Poku. Opoku entimi afabono. Zakaria Hussein apem. Abedi Elvis Cheba for her. Wa body abane chidi ama Patrick Essiedu. Essiedu ababone 10-10 Kwame Poku. Nesi apeme free ho. Bone say Kwame Poku. We really bone be off the rebound. Or the ama Patrick Essiedu. A shot nesi debi. Bon Akele out of play. And that will be a throw-in for Berekum Chelsea. Media free ho. Wisdom Fernando Bassi, Barasha Kofabono, Babayaya, Yadenato form, and this will be a free kick for Chelsea. Babayaya Bobon and Tetemso, on the Albert Amoah, what a save by Emmanuel Edu. It was a nice shot by Amoah, and equally a nice save by Emmanuel Edu. Bonesay, Patrick Essiedu, Yadenato form, free kick for Asante Kotoko. Where a good opportunity for Kotoko. Obapo Patrick Essiedu, Wapodi Essiedu as they be born over. Abedi Babaya ho, born in say Babaya Pejem, and Takoyan, and Albert Amoah, what a goal by Kumasi Asante Kotoko after 18 minutes of play, the first goal of the game, legend.
But with this game, the
kind of Chelsea, Sapon Betmia Buana, Bono was Zakaria Hussein, with every confidence of Kotoko Bono, and with Cheba for Kwame Poku over the bar. Esiedu Ebobono Efasro opportunity for Kotoko Anderson Menu Nesne cross net me anko Ami Abobo Nefio. So just as I said earlier, you had a 5 minutes minimum of added on time and you had the atoso it way na chese ye bossy manum ye bet me aboma bro but the referee dey actually simanum
and we are opportunity to is unselfish.
A chance for Chelsea, Nasidebi. Goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara once again to the rescue of the Porcupine Warriors. Anticipation spot on. Oh, who said Bibi Betmiesi and not Tony Hoshe Bonuso. Oh, daddy, so exactly. Because we won any year penalty. Emmanuel Sapon, Genope. On the Najina Bonnet Bible, Sapon in swinger, Kamara with a save. It's been beautiful, a beautiful spectacle. And referee Emmanuel Graham Ashenabe and the Akense Nina Badevie. Therefore, after 90 minutes of action, Albert Amoah's goal has proven the winning goal of the game. After 90 minutes of exhilarating action, Asante Kotoko 1, Berekum Chelsea 0.
Yes, sir. Amoah defended well. Edema Ayobobo Kwandiade Nanya FC and almost stopping Kotoko. Extra time. And Adebakwa who say anytime be a team be on Ghana League that ever FA Cup finals. The third time they are Nanya and a really Wama Ghana League. So Nyame Golden Kicks ever on Ghana League and I could have